Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to light charcoal briquettes. I've got two sizes, the bigger size and the smaller size. The bigger size goes in this big charcoal stove, whereas the small size goes in the small charcoal stove. To light the briquettes, you need some hot charcoal. So that's the first thing we are going to do, is to light some charcoal. So all you need are just some small pieces of charcoal which are lit, and then the briquettes are just placed on top of that charcoal which is burning. So what we are going to do is to see how we can light that charcoal. Since these charcoal stoves are made with bigger holes, just pouring in this charcoal direct will just pass through the holes. So all you need is just to get some pieces of charcoal and fill these holes. So if you see that the process of filling up these holes is just hectic, then the other method is that you need to acquire these nets, which you just insert inside and the whole process is solved. So put this here and then pour some few pieces of charcoal. So after putting in your charcoal, get something to use to light it. You can use papers, others use polythene, but I recommend use some charcoal burners. For them they are efficient and they don't disturb. I tried to make mine. It looks like a chapati, but yet it works perfect. So put in there, and then I put in here. So get your lighter and light it. So try to arrange the charcoal as usual, as you normally do it. So after you have lit your charcoal, it's time to place your briquettes on top of the hot charcoal. Then if you see some space around, you can fill it up. However, even if you don't surround it with some charcoal, it all works well, just as you're seeing here. I'm not going to put some charcoal. I'm going to leave it the way it is. So at this point, the fire will catch these briquettes. As you can see, it has started. And then at this moment still, you can put your saucepan on top of the briquettes as the fire is raising. But however, since the saucepan is flat, and yet also the briquettes have got these holes where fire comes out from, placing a flat saucepan onto them will just seal up these holes. So the solution to that is to use some wire mesh, wire net, I don't know what you can call it. You put it on top, then this here, okay, and then place the saucepan on top, yeah, such that the wire mesh creates a gap between the briquette and the saucepan. Now that gap is the combustion gap, whereby fire will be free to surround the bottom of the saucepan. Okay. So if you don't have the wire mesh, then you can use some stones, put them there, here, and there, and then sit on your saucepan. Now the stones will help put a gap where burning will occur. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a happy cooking. You can continue watching the video. All right, so after your cooking is done and your briquettes are exhausted, meaning that they cannot produce any more heat, what remains behind is this one piece lamp or ash, which you can carry out and throw. So you find that nothing remains behind like ash, and then this ash is very brittle, as you can see. But however, you can lift it out and then take it somewhere and rest it there without just breaking it to splash anyhow. Okay. Let me try to see how I can remove this. Yeah, it's like some kind of a hot cake, a hot orange cake. Oh, now this ash you're seeing, the white ash, is that came out of the charcoal used to light the briquette. And then this is our wire mesh. Oh, okay, it has broken, but as you can see, it is so brittle. If you squeeze it, you can get now the actual ash out of it. But if you handle it carefully, you can carry it and place it somewhere where it can be safe and avoid it from accumulating to the environment. So basically that's it.